Welcome back, Profit Quests family. I'm excited to bring you another great opportunity today. In this video, we'll be exploring how you can interact with the Sapien AI testnet and earn rewards by completing simple tasks. This is an easy and free way to accumulate rewards, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you don't miss out. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest crypto opportunities. Also, join our Telegram channel using the link in the description. I regularly share exclusive airdrop opportunities and important updates about the crypto world that you won't want to miss. Now, let's get started. The first step is to click the link in the description, which will take you to the Sapien AI platform. Once you arrive on the website, you'll need to log in. Click the Login button and choose to connect using your Google account. This is the easiest and fastest way to create your account. After selecting your Google account, you'll be asked to accept the platform's terms and conditions. You can take a moment to read through them if you wish, but to proceed quickly, just click Accept. Once this is done, your account will be successfully created, and you will be redirected to the main dashboard. Now that you're inside, let's explore the dashboard. You'll see several sections, including the Task Dashboard and the Points Dashboard. Before we start completing tasks, let's check out the Points Dashboard. This section tracks your daily streak, which is important because logging in every day helps you accumulate more points over time. Your streak will continue as long as you log in daily, so make sure to visit the platform regularly. The next step is connecting your social media accounts. Start with Twitter by clicking on the plus icon next to it. Authorize the connection, and your Twitter account will be successfully linked. After that, complete a quick human verification step, and you'll notice that your points increase immediately. After linking Twitter, the next account to connect is Discord. Just like with Twitter, click the plus icon, authorize the connection, and complete the human verification process. Once verified, your points will increase again. If you have additional accounts such as Forrester or WorldCoin, you can also connect those for extra points, though they are optional. Now it's time to link a crypto wallet. This is necessary to receive rewards. For this airdrop, you will be using a MetaMask wallet. Click on Link a Wallet, select MetaMask, and follow the prompts to connect it. Once connected, complete the human verification step to finalize the process. You will then see your wallet address displayed on the dashboard. If you ever need to unlink it, you have that option, but keeping it connected is recommended to ensure you receive your airdrop rewards without any issues. Now that we've completed the setup, let's move to the task dashboard. Here, you'll find different tasks that you can complete to earn points and rewards. One of the easiest tasks is the vehicle positioning task. To complete this task, start by selecting your country and confirming your selection. Once that is done, you will be shown an image of a vehicle. Your job is to determine whether the image shows the front, side, or back of the vehicle. After selecting the correct option, submit your response and verify that you are human. If your answer is correct, you will receive points. This task must be completed within an hour, so make sure to submit your response before the time runs out. If you ever experience an issue where your response does not get logged, simply refresh the page and try again. Also, it's important to note that while MetaMask is the recommended wallet for this airdrop, some airdrops may require a Rabby wallet. It's always good to have both wallets ready so you can participate in multiple opportunities. Moving on, another available task is the breakfast image upload task. For this task, you need to take a picture of your breakfast and upload it to the platform. If the task is currently expired, you will need to wait until the countdown resets before you can submit. When the task is available, select an image from your device and upload it. Before submitting, you will need to provide some additional details, including your age range, gender, country, and dietary preference. If you eat both plant-based and animal-based foods, select omnivore. If you only eat plant-based foods, select vegan. After that, enter the name of the food in the food identification section. For example, if you're eating rice and chicken, simply enter rice and chicken. Once all the required details are filled out, confirm and submit your entry. Complete the human verification step, and your points will be credited. Another task you can complete is the drive site task. This task requires you to upload images of roads and street scenes that capture various elements like vehicles, buildings, or other road features. If you are traveling or in a vehicle, you can take a picture of the road ahead and upload it. Just like with the breakfast task, you will need to provide some additional details before submitting. Once everything is completed, click Submit and verify that you are human. Out of all the tasks, the vehicle positioning task is the simplest because it does not require you to upload any images. You just have to analyze the given images and select the correct answer. However, tasks like Drive Site offer direct USD earnings. For example, submitting a valid Drive Site image can earn you 0.2 cents per submission, while completing other tasks can earn up to 0.1 per submission. If you submit multiple entries, you can accumulate earnings over time, so it's worth taking advantage of these opportunities. To maximize your rewards, it's crucial to log in daily and complete at least the vehicle positioning task to maintain your streak. This will help you accumulate points consistently and increase your earnings. The more tasks you complete, the more you earn. Keep in mind that some tasks have specific time windows, so always check back frequently to ensure you don't miss any earning opportunities. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Also, don't forget to join the Telegram channel using the link in the description. I share daily updates on new airdrop opportunities, crypto news, and exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else. See you in the next video.